Many people desire you and fear you. You could have many people that feel as if they want to connect with you on a friendship level, on a business level, and on a romantic level. However, there are two sides to this spectrum. As much as people want to connect with you, collaborate with you, they also feel as if they should be fearful of you. You know, you have a lot of charm, a lot of charisma, a lot of popularity. You have that likability factor, and people may feel as if, in some cases, you're too good to be true. If I get into a friendship with you, you may turn out to be a foe. If I get into a relationship with you, say, this is what they're thinking, right? You may end up cheating on me because you're too beautiful, you're too charming, you accumulate a lot of attention. If I get into a business partnership with you, then you may do better than me, or you may outsmart me and take all the money that we make together. There's no in between with this actual situation, and it must be extremely frustrating for you, because as much as people are drawn to you, they are fearful of what you will do to them. And that's their insecurities. And for some of you, that's them being trapped in their ego. You know, unfortunately for some of you, you may have been placed in certain boxes. And I'm hearing for some of you that you cannot be placed in a box, right? You're unorthodox. That weren't meant to rhyme, by the way. But I feel as if you are very attractive, very good looking, very handsome, very beautiful, right? Physically and inwardly. And because of this, you have faced many people either trying to humble you, or you have faced, many friends trying to be in secret competition with you. You may have found that people may just choose not to like you for no reason whatsoever, and they just assume that because of your looks or because of your charm, right? Because I feel like your personality really dazzles, it really shines, and a lot of people like you. A lot of people want to come and talk to you. You're very relatable, right? Because you're very authentic. And I feel as if some people just assume that because you are the way that you are, there's a hidden agenda. Because you are very physically striking, is what I'm hearing. People just assume that you are that mean girl, or you are that player, right? People put titles on you, and they, you know, spin the narrative in their head as to how you're going to act. So you may have found that people try to outsmart you or try and hurt you before you hurt them. You may have felt that things were not really balanced in your life. You were unable to meet your match in regards to friendships, in regards to business partnerships, in regards to relationships. But all that's going to come to an end. All that's wrapping up now, or it will wrap up, is what I'm picking up. You will meet your match in this lifetime in regards to friendships, in regards to romantic relationships, in regards to business partnerships. You will meet like-minded people that are on your level, that have also been outcasted due to their essence, due to their looks, due to their talents. You will meet people like yourself. Because these individuals that you may have connected with in the past, they felt very triggered by you. They may have wanted to leave you, leave your life for no reason whatsoever. Some of you have been ghosted before in relationships, in friendships, people not wanting to invite you out with them, scared of all the attention that you will garner, right? But these same people feel energetically drawn towards you. It's like they feel anger within themselves for, liking you. They feel this secret resentment for you, but they realize that you haven't done anything but just merely exist. And as much as they try to push you away physically, energetically, they're still drawn to you. And for some of you, even if they energetically try to remove themselves from you, whether that's friends, whether that's family members or romantic suitors, they physically can't keep away. But for some of you, they hold themselves back. For some of you, it could have been mothers that you have had this type of situation play out in, right? This could be your own mother, unfortunately. For some of you, you could be a mother and other mothers feel in competition with you. They see your drive, they see your determination, they see the way that you raise your children, and they compare themselves to you. They admire you, but they fear you because they feel as if they are inadequate in comparison to you, not realizing that everyone has their own path. You know, I feel as if some people try to outsmart you. You know, people are drawn to your intellect, but they will never tell you how intelligent you really are. They try and downplay your intelligence, but they secretly bite your style. They secretly copy you behind your back. They may try and act like you, talk the way you talk, express themselves the way that you express yourself, try and get into the same hobbies and likes that you like, try and read the same books or try and watch the same programs as you, because they're trying to dissect your mind. You have a mind of a genius, but they will never tell you that. Again, there's an energy of people leaving you out, or people trying to triangulate you and pit you up against people that are not even on your level energetically. Okay, you may have found that individuals, as much as you know that there's a connection, as much as you know that they are actually obsessed with you or in love with you, they will never ever say it. And they can make you feel like it's a figure of your own imagination. They will make you feel as if the situation was one-sided. What are you talking about? I didn't say that. Not knowing that you actually connect to souls, so you can read their heart, and their heart has your name written all over it. You may have found that when you're in relationships with people, they don't give to you the way that they know that they should, because they may fear that, oh, if I give to him or her too much, then they're going to feel like they're better than me, they're going to leave me. You know, you may have found that people try to downplay you or simply ignore you to make you feel less than, because they feel less than, by the way. You know, some people are threatened by your work ethic, you know, and it's important that you date your match. You may have met or dated people or even befriended people that in society are seen as hard workers, but when they connect with someone like you, you're the type of person that can do a job of 10 people. So they feel fearful of you. What does that mean about me? Does that mean that I'm not as, you know, competent? You know, you trigger a lot of fears in people when you don't need to. You're just thinking that, you know, we can be friends, we can connect, we're like-minded, but no. And this makes people want to remove themselves from you in some cases, or try and outwork you. You know, people are drawn to you, but they feel a sense of having to leave you out, block you out, because there's a lot of fears that you bring up. You trigger a lot of spiritual awakenings in people. You also trigger a lot of maybe mother wounds when you're connecting with people in romantic relationships, or father wounds, especially mother wounds, I feel. You know, especially those that are avoidant as well. You're able to unearth deep rooted fears and feelings in others. You know, you are a lot of people's one true love. You're the one that got away in some cases. And even if those individuals try and forget about you, they can't help but think about you. You know, a lot of people, especially romantic suitors, want to settle down with you, but they will never say it in some cases. And some people, they actually have the balls to actually say, you know what, I actually want to be with you. I actually desire to, you know, settle down. I see you in my future. And I feel like some people try to make you out to be someone that is mean spirited and untrustworthy because it makes them feel satisfied. People are drawn to your light. People feel as if you bring a lot of warmth, a lot of kindness, a lot of care, but people are just threatened by your power because they feel like, what are you going to do with this